everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is new regional center to be inaugurated in Ranchi on 4th July 2025. The National Institute of Public Corporation and Child Development has officially been renamed as Savitribai Phule National Institute of Women and Child Development, reflecting its evolving role and greater focus in region-specific, mission-driven support for the development of women and child across India. This transformation has taken under the visionary leadership of Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Srimati Annapurna Devi. In a significant move aimed at strengthening outreach and regional capacity building, a new regional center in Ranchi, Jharkhand is to be inaugurated on 4th July 2025. This center will address specialized training and research requirements of the ministry's flagship programs like Mission Shakti, Mission Vatsalya, Mission Saksham Anganwadi, Poshan 2.0, with a particular focus on the eastern region covering Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha and West Bengal. Previously, training needs of these states were partially catered through regional centers located in Guwahati and Lucknow, posing logistical challenges for many functionaries due to the long travel distances. The new regional center will also offer the advanced diploma in child guidance and counseling and will facilitate better accessibility for frontline functionaries in these states. It is estimated that over 7 lakh functionaries operate under the ministry's mission across the 4 states, spread across 115 districts. Srimati Annapurna Devi said that the renaming of NIPCCD as the Savitribai Phule National Institute of Women and Child Development is a tribute to the legacy of one of the India's foremost social reformers and reaffirmation of our commitment to women and child-centric development. Highlighting the importance of setting up new regional centers, the Union Minister said that the inauguration of the new regional center in Ranchi would mark a significant step towards decentralized, region-specific capacity building in the eastern region. This center will not only empower our frontline functionaries with better access to training and support, but also strengthen our flagship missions at the grassroots level. She further added that the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji we were ensuring that no woman or child is left behind in our journey towards Viksit Bharat at 2047. The new regional center in Ranchi will not only bring training services closer to the field functionaries, but also enable the identification of local issues, customized interventions, and better resource utilization for women's empowerment and child welfare in the eastern region. It will also support research, counseling, extension activities related to child development, mental health, and adolescent well-being. This step is a testament to the ministry's commitment to ensuring last-mile delivery of services, region-specific capacity building, and the creation of an inclusive, empowered, and healthier India under the leadership of Union Minister Srimati Annapurna Devi. NIPCCD, now renamed as Savitribai Phule National Institute of Women and Child Development, has its headquarters in New Delhi and presently has regional centers in Bangalore, Guwahati, Lucknow, Indore and Mohali. It serves as the apex body for training, research, documentation and capacity building in the field of women and child development. So in this part, what type of questions you can expect is about the developments which happened, in the sense the rename of the institute, and also with that the developments which happened in the field of women and child, which will be very important. The question might arise in your prelims and also in your mains. So be prepared. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.